Hello, beautiful people. So, like I always say, you don't need to break the bank to move abroad. So, this video is one of those videos where you're going to learn how to move abroad for free, everything paid for from your house to land your new country, everything paid for, right? So, there's this amazing relocation package that's going to take care of your flight ticket and not only your flight ticket, the things that are going to help you to settle in your new country are going to be paid for as well. You have free accommodation, you have even stipends, feeding, housing, money to buy, if you need a laptop, if you need, anything you need, right? So it's a fully funded situation here, all right? And that is why I'm making this video so you can know how you can move down for free if you don't have enough money. Because I get those emails all the time. I want to relocate, I don't have money. So this is for you, all right? So there are so many pathways to relocate, so many different situations, different scenarios. You just need to know which one best suits your situation, all right? So you want to move down to the US for free, then do watch this video to the end. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're so welcome to my channel. So let me know in the comments if you're watching my video for the first time. I always have something special for my first time viewers. So do drop a comment. Let me know if you're watching my video for the first time, and also subscribe to the channel because I know you watch this video because you're looking for ways to move abroad, either to study, to work, or any other pathway, right? And my channel is the best place where you're going to see the information that will help you achieve your goal. So do subscribe to the channel and also turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a new video. So on my channel, I update it like every day. So I always share information all the time that is going to help you. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Thanks for the support, for the likes, for the shares, for the comments, for everything you do to keep our channel moving. I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate all the support. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one, you can send me an email or send me a DM on Instagram, or you click a link in the description box to book a one-on-one consultation with me so we can talk about your own personal needs for relocation. I'll guide you on what is best for you, based on your education, your professional history, your budget, your family, whatever it is, there's always something for everyone. Okay, so let's get into this video. How do you move to the US for free, right? So like I said earlier, this is fully funded. Like if you get this, it's a very amazing opportunity to move down to America. So you want to move down to America, to settle in America, whether you alone or with your family, then this video is for you. The easiest way to move down to the US right now is through the study route. In fact, the easiest way globally to move is through study, if we are being honest. And this video is about a fully funded scholarship to America. So you don't need to break the bank. You don't need to have millions and millions in your account to make this happen. You don't need proof of funds and all of that. So this is fully funded. They're going to take care of your flight ticket. They're going to give you a stipend, monthly stipend. They're going to give you accommodation, give you money for books and every other thing you need to study in America. So let's quickly see what this scholarship covers. A fellowship applied directly to cover tuition and associated fees, a stipend for living and academic expenses such as room and board, books, academic supplies, instructional materials, local transportation. Yeah, transportation is also covered in this, and reasonable personal expenses, right? So you can agree with me that this covers everything, all your living expense in America. And it also covers a travel stipend intended to cover an economic class ticket for one annual trip to and from Stanford. So every year you get free tickets every year. Actually, it's not just the ticket you're going to pay to go to America. So every year if you want to go back home, so you have a free return ticket every year if you want to be going home to visit your family. And then additional funding specific to certain years. We have newly enrolled scholars receive a one-time relocation stipend intended to offset some of the costs associated with relocation to the area and or technology purchases. So if you want to purchase like a laptop and things like that, you get, funding for that. Scholars in their second and third years may apply for supplemental funds to support academic enrichment activities, example, conference travel. So you want to travel around for conferences, that are going to help you in your education, then I mean, you have funding for that. So this is really amazing. So the name of the scholarship is the Knight Hennessy Scholars, KHS, right? So it provides funding for degree program listed in the initial KHS admission letter. So scholars who wish to enroll in an additional graduate program may apply to KHS to receive additional funding up to the maximum of 3 years. So this funding covers postgraduate studies, right? Your master's, PhD, and all of that. So they have a full list of that. So let's look at deadlines real quick. Let's look at deadlines. So the KHS application deadline, October 11, 2023, 1 p.m. Pacific time, right? So I'm sure no one is going to wait till October 11 to send in the application. So do apply like as soon as possible. It is open, so you can apply like from now, from today, as you're watching this. So go ahead and put together a very solid application so you can get this scholarship. It's a very good one, like everything paid for. I think that is really, really good. A lot of people, do send me emails for fully funded scholarships, and this is one of them. So put together a very good application so you can really get this. It's always highly competitive. Okay, so the Stanford graduate degree program deadline for KHS applicants is no later than December 1, 2023. All Knight Hennessy scholars apply and are selected for admission. Gaining admission is the beginning of a new journey to greater leadership. As a Knight Hennessy scholar, it is also the culmination of the effort you dedicate to your application. Applying to Knight Hennessy Scholars is not simply checking off a list of requirements. There is a formula for admission, and there are no scores, achievements, or stories that automatically qualify you for admission. Instead, the KHS application is an invitation to show how you demonstrate the qualities we seek in ways that are unique and distinct to you. So I just mentioned that put together a very good application, right? It's not all about having all the documents or meeting the requirements. They've said it here because, like, let's say 1,000 people are going to apply for this, right? And they all meet the requirements. They all have all the documents and all of that. So you have to like go the extra mile to make sure your story is one that will be compelling enough, for them to grant you this scholarship. We believe applying can be a rewarding exercise in reflection about your experiences and your aspirations. We designed the Knight Hennessy Scholars application with two goals: to help you better know yourself, what you have done, who you are now, and what you aspire to do in future, and also to help us know you better. So these are three very important things you need to keep in mind. Your application should show what you have done, right? So your history, academic, professional, really it needs to be highlighted, and who you are now. What are you up to right now, and what do you aspire to do in future? And what you aspire to do in future is like very important, because they don't want to invest in someone that doesn't know where they are going or is not going to like use the scholarship for the greater good. So you really need to highlight all these important things in your application, because it's really going to decide if they are going to be giving it to you or not. I mean, this is a lot of money, so they want to invest in someone that will make the best use of this. We also acknowledge that applying can take thought and effort. We want to aid you in your planning and preparation, and we have organized our resources to help you through each stage of the application journey. We hope you find inspiration as you learn about our community, clarity as you explore our admission process, and reflection as you complete your application. So there is information here of, how to apply and all of that. Planning to apply, there's information for that. Then preparing your application, there is information for that as well. And then after you apply, okay? So let's quickly see admission FAQs. That is a frequently asked question. So let's quickly, pick some of those questions and ask them right here. And I do believe that these are questions I'm definitely going to see in the comments. So let me just go through the FAQs. So what if I graduated from an institution outside the US? What are the eligibility requirements for me? So to be eligible for graduate study at Stanford University, yeah, I really need to point out that this scholarship is tied to Stanford University. All right. So you need to apply for admission to Stanford University to take advantage of this KHS scholarship, right? Okay, so you must meet the requirements of the graduate programs that you wish to pursue and hold the equivalent of a US bachelor's degree from a college or university of recognized standing. All right, so you need to have a bachelor's degree. Obviously, like I said, previously, that this scholarship is available for graduate students. Yeah, so if you want to do a master's, a PhD, and all of that, then this scholarship is for you. And this is another very important question. If I graduated in 2016 or before 2016, may I still become a Knight Hennessy Scholar? If you graduated with your first bachelor's degree more than 7 years before your intended enrollment date in 2016 or earlier for the autumn 2024 intake, then you are not eligible for consideration as a Knight Hennessy Scholar. This applies even if you have earned an additional degree in 2017 or later. You may still apply to the Stanford Graduate Program of your choice, and there are many other options for funding your graduate education. So Stanford University has many other scholarships, so many other scholarships that you can take advantage of, right? So you can still apply if you graduated before 2016, right? There is another scholarship for you at Stanford. But for this KHS, right, you must have graduated after 2016. Okay, so if you graduated before 2016 from your bachelor's, your first degree, right, you can explore other scholarships, and maybe I'm going to do a video for other scholarships in this school. But for this KHS fully funded scholarship that I'm talking about in this video, it's for people that graduated, from their bachelor's after 2016. And then another important question: I have a graduate degree already. I have a master's, I have a PhD, I have an MBA. Am I eligible? If you have earned a graduate degree, you remain eligible to enroll as a Knight Hennessy Scholar in 2024 as long as you earned your first bachelor's in 2017 or later. All right, so whether you have a graduate degree already, it doesn't matter. You're still eligible to apply for this scholarship. So you can do another master's, you can do another PhD, and any other graduate program that you want to. You're still eligible as long as your first degree you got it, from 2017 and later. So this is very interesting. So if you're watching this video up to this point, do give the video a like, give it a thumbs up, because it's like very good information. So just give the video a thumbs up to support the channel. All right, so this is the Knight Hennessy Scholars at Stanford University, and the URL is right here. This is the URL, this is the link, right? So just type this out on your browser and you are there. Okay, so this is the link to get this in full information about this scholarship. So do check it out, see all the information you need, and then go ahead and send in your application. It's a very good opportunity to move to the USA for free in 2024. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I really love to hear from you. And let me know if you need other opportunities like this in the US or any other country of your choice. Do let me know. So I'll be doing those videos for you. And also let me know which country you're watching from, so I can be doing videos that are useful to you, right? And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and possibly turn on your post notification bell, so every time I share a new video, you'll get to see it and you can watch it. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.